What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today is, I've been posting really quite a few videos and actually doing quite a few videos, but I'm excited to shoot this video for you guys today on YouTube, guys. So let's go ahead and get into what I want to talk about and give you guys a little bit of an update on Futuro coin and how to start mining Futuro coin. Okay, if you haven't seen my video, I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm just gonna give you guys an idea of what Futuro coin is. If you want to find more information, all you need to do is go on the search bar, put hashtag TipsWithDav, because that's the best way to find it. And you're going to find the first video, the top video they're going to see, and you can see it's done 8 months ago. Okay, I've done a full review on Futuro coin. Go ahead and check it out. But even if you just go and type Futuro coin, you should be seeing my video up top here. As you can see, it's one of the first things that anybody is going to see. So I'm ranked number 1 for this keyword. Let's say, even if I do Futuro coin like this, it should come number 1, and everyone else is less than that. So this is getting a good momentum, let's say, for me having this video here for my business and for everything that I'm doing. But guess what, guys? We're not here to talk about what happened 8 months ago. We're here to talk about what's happening now. So Futuro coin, for you guys, I'm going to be giving and speaking a little bit more about it and why mining this coin is so crucial at this point of time. So there are 2 main aspects. If you guys don't know what FutureNet and what Futuro coin is, you've seen the video. Just go and type Futuro coin in YouTube, and you're going to find my video. It'll give you an explanation of everything. But if I want to get into the actual nitty-gritty of it, okay, the beauty of this coin is that it is owned by a company that is there for 6 years, has created their own cryptocurrency, and is doing phenomenally well, working with the UN to save the world in so many different ways. And so I would really expect people to realize that this coin is not going anywhere anytime soon, and they've done a really phenomenal job in launching it. And I want to show you guys some proof. Coin market cap, which is the place to go for any kind of crypto related, especially the coins that are registered and everything else. And I'm going to type here. Yeah, the market is pretty red, as you can see, guys. It's been a bloody past few days in the cryptocurrency world. But at the same time, let's go ahead and type FTO, which, as you can see right here, is Futuro coin. I'm going to click on it, and you can see it's gone down 4.84%. Now, I want to show you a little bit of the history. Okay, so let's look at all. Okay, actually, let's look at a year. Okay, because the coin was not there a year ago. So let's look at a year, and just give me a second. Okay, I want to move this because it's going to ask me for the cookies and stuff like that. So just want to close this right here, and let's go ahead and look at it. Okay, so I want you to see from when it launched. So let's look at 1 year. Let's look at not June, but let's look at, let's say, January. Okay, January. Why is it not showing January? Whatever. Okay, I want to show you, just this is showing, zoom out. You don't talk anymore. I want to see the whole thing. Why is it not showing me? Okay, let's go down. Let's click markets. Let's go back. Okay, now let's put specifically 01, 01. Why? Okay, I don't know why market cap coin is doing this, but basically the coin started off at a very low because it obviously didn't have anything on the first day. It went up to around $20. It's never gone above $20, but it's still after months and months and months being online, being released, it's $10, guys. I haven't seen many coins stay at this because the demand is there. Okay, the supply is being moved around, the demand is there, there is in circulation. You can find out also which markets they're on, as you can see right here. If I put historical data, maybe that'll give me more of a as you can see, the volume keeps going up. Now, why is this the best time to start mining Futuro coin? Firstly, You can exchange it on the various exchanges that you see right here. So if I go to, sorry about this, guys. If I go to markets, you're going to see on CoinDeal, Yobit, BitBay, CoinBee, there, Cryptopia, and many other places you can find Futuro coin on. Okay, so if you want to trade it, you can trade it, but the volume is quite high on CoinDeal, so I would suggest CoinDeal, honestly. But it's up to you, as I said. But mining aspect is literally an income stream from the main company, from FutureNet, and it allows you to have mining packages. In fact, let's go ahead and actually look at every minute that I am actually earning. This updates every minute, and as you can see, I'm earning every single day to a coin for a long time. But I want to go and show you that you have 100, 250, 500, up to $25,000 worth of packages that you can buy, and you can buy multiple of them. So if you want, I don't know, two $25,000 ones, you just get it. Okay, it's a higher power. I started off in this video, as you can see from that video, I started off at the 100. I'm still at the 100 because I was testing it, and I will be purchasing much more now. Okay, the point of this whole thing is this is 8 months gone, guys, and it's still mining for me, and it's going to be mining for 2 years. So it's definitely for me to make, let's say right now it's just 10, right? So I have 2 coins, 1 coin is 10, so I have 20 right now. For me to reach, I need 100 coins, right? For me to reach my 100 worth it at this point of time. But what's happening now is that with everything that they're doing, because it's the cryptocurrency, they're implementing the transactional value of it in everything that they do. And when you have a transactional value of a cryptocurrency, you're allowing a spike because of the amount of usage and the amount of circulation and the limited supply and demand. You are increasing the possibility of the price to increase. So I would be mining hands down with anything when it comes to cryptocurrency mining. At least start off with a $100 package, guys. At least the minimum I would say is start off with a $100 package and get going in mining. It's 2 years, $100. Put it in. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to harm you anything, but you're still mining it for a potential of this coin to get massive. So it's up to you, honestly. I will leave that in your discretion. Let's say I will put a link just to Futuro network, which is the mining side of it, as I said. And if you do join my team, let me know. I'll give you also a funnel that you can build to help that you can use to help promote Futuro Coin and Futuro Network, so that you can have it and build a team, as I am doing right here. As you can see, I have around 30 uni level members and 28 frontliners at this point of time. Okay, so it's a really good system in my opinion. It's up to you whether you would like to go ahead and actually utilize it. Okay, this is an update, guys. It's nothing more than an update. It changes every minute. In fact, as I'm speaking, I'm getting more coins as I go along. Okay, everything else is there in the link below. I'm going to leave this is the only video that I'm going to leave this only link. Okay, in my other videos you'll find the pro system, which is what I work with on a day-to-day basis, and actually my system that I put in place, which includes FutureNet and Futuro Coin and everything else. But in this video you're going to see only one link. Click that link and I'm going to see you on the next one. Have a great day.